So the installation went well. I didn't get film of the diagnostic part. I just didn't have the camera ready, so that's why I grabbed it, charged it, got it ready to go for the installation process. Now, you really want to find that schematic that it's hidden somewhere, whether it's behind a panel, it's in a sleeve, it's somewhere. All appliances have these schematics that are a roadmap to diagnose, trace wiring, trace fuses, find stuff, and you need to find those to really figure out what's going on, unless you already know what you're doing. If you already know what you're doing, you know what to test, where to go, what to find. So just wanted to, close out the video and say, hey, that's what it was. Replace that cutout, and it's good to go after that. Alrighty, if you're stopping by for the first time, please throw me a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.